In front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults, in my case Opera mini browser. When your app is ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on Apps section. Then choose Default Apps and tap on one of those options, in my case Browser app. Now just click on the one that you wish to apply and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my browser app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!